Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Ford Fusion Bluetooth easy method. Start by powering off the car, then open your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget the Fusion connection. Clear the Bluetooth cache if available, restart both your phone and the car's infotainment, and finally attempt pairing again while the system is awake and visible. Now we'll pair step by step in a calm, clear way so you can follow along easily. Put the Fusion in pairing mode from the Bluetooth menu, then on your phone choose the vehicle name and accept the PIN prompt. Wait for a confirmation tone and check phone call and audio permissions. If this fails, power cycle both devices and repeat the pairing process slowly and deliberately. If pairing still won't work, try a few targeted troubleshooting steps with patience. Check for any pending software updates on both the phone and the Fusion system, clear any cached Bluetooth data, and temporarily disable other nearby Bluetooth devices. If needed, reset your phone's network settings after backing up important data, and retry pairing with the phone placed near the dashboard to improve signal stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.